I'm very grateful for the enthusiasm and the interest that people show in my orgone generators, because I know there are lots of other people out there making them. I'm not the only fish in the pond. But as long as they show an interest, and as long as I'm able, I'd love to do it, because it's my passion, you know, it's my hobby. I love to make them. It gives me great joy and gives me a reason why I want to get up in the morning, and I know they will do good things for people who have them in their environment. So why not be enthusiastic about an orgone generator that you know is going to be beneficial for the pets and the plants and the people, and it's a positive thing. We need more positive things in our lives. We have enough negative things. So if in some small way I can contribute to somebody in a positive way, I'm very happy to do that, you know, and it gives me great pleasure and joy that people are interested in purchasing my orgone generators. As long as they keep that up, and as long as I'm able to physically, I will keep making them. I am very appreciative. Every night when I say my prayers, I include all the customers who purchase my OGs from around the world. I have them in my thoughts, and I've been doing that for years, you know. So not only do I put as much energy, good energy into them as I can, but I also send my prayers out with them as well, that they will do positive things in people's lives. I have no control over that, but I know that if people have these orgone generators in their living space, it will add in a positive way to their life. Yeah. But how it does that, I don't know. But it's never negative, it's always positive. I include everyone in my prayers every night. The problem is viscosity. See, I have a pail here, and to keep the viscosity above 70 degrees, I have to keep them in the pail, and I have a 60-watt heating pad on the bottom. So when I cover that up, my shed isn't insulated, so it gets cold. If the viscosity of the resin isn't between 70 and 75, I can't work with it. It's sticky. It flows. It's too thick. It has to be thinner, more liquidy. Cold is the enemy of resin. So while I'm making it, it has to be in a liquid state. If it gets sticky and thick, the crystals won't go in properly, nothing works properly. It's just very frustrating. I can't make many of them in the winter. I can make the odd single one. See, and that's a heating pad here. A 60-watt flat heating pad. See, this is the pad. So I have one on the bottom here and one here. So when I'm working with when I'm making an OG, I put it on the heating pad. Or if it gets too hot, I use wooden. And then it's still warm, but it doesn't overheat on me.